Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how Copecart affiliate marketing works and how you can start earning commissions promoting digital products. First, sign up for a free Copecart account as an affiliate. Once you're in, head to the Copecart marketplace where you can browse thousands of products like online courses, ebooks, and software. Found something to promote? Click the Promote button. Some products approve affiliates automatically, while others may require manual approval. Once approved, you'll get a unique affiliate link. Share this link on your blog, social media, or email list. Every time someone buys a product through your link, you earn a commission. Copecart also provides detailed analytics showing clicks, sales, and performance metrics so you can optimize your strategy. Payouts are flexible too. You can receive your earnings weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly directly to your bank account. And that's it. Copecart makes affiliate marketing simple and powerful. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and comment below on what affiliate platforms you want me to review next.